Hello everyone and welcome back to your channel Technical Sahil. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Claude to build a complete luxury website from scratch. We'll create it in three stages: an animated hero background, the complete landing page interface, and finally a polished single file website combining everything together. Let's switch to the Claude and begin a new conversation. Here Fable 5 is currently selected as the model. Opening the model selector shows the other available cloud models along with its effort control. Higher effort can produce a more throughout response, although it may take a longer, it consume more usage. I'll keep the current high setting. Now click inside the prompt box to enter the first website's building instruction. For the first stage, I am asking Claude to work as an award-winning front-end developer and creative director. The fictional brand is called Drizzer, a premium intimacy chocolate product with an ultra-luxury, mysterious, and cinematic identity. Claude must create a full-screen visual that resembles slow-moving liquid chocolate, silk, and ambient light without using an actual video file. The requested palette use obsidian black, rich cocoa, and subtle copper or a rose gold highlights. Everything must be created inside one HTML file using the canvas, WebGL, CSS, or SVG with a cinematic grain, a vignette, and no text or navigation. Once the requirements are ready, submit the prompt. Claude first analyzes the task and plans a WebGL based animation with the fluid movement and metallic highlights. It then generates the complete single file implementation. The first result is now ready. We can see a smooth full screen animation that closely resembles flowing liquid chocolate. Claude has also included performance optimizations, responsive rendering, and a fallback for devices that prefer reduced motion. The animated hero asset is working, so let's close the preview and move to the second stage. The completed hero file is also available here to download. Next is I am asking Claude to design the complete Drizzer landing page interface. This version must use HTML, Tailwind CSS, and vanilla JavaScript with a premium serif typography and a custom text-based logo. The header must include the experience integrant shop as an indulge now call to action, followed a cinematic hero section, and below the hero Claude must create an experience section using elegant bento style cards to prevent the product's benefit. The next section introduces cocoa, maca root, and clean plant protein, followed by a minimalist high fashion footer. The copy should remain persuasive and classy, and the entire interface must be fully responsive. Now submit the second prompt. Claude begins planning the page structure and visual hierarchy. It then builds the navigation, hero benefits, integrants, and footer sections inside one responsive artifact. The second result is ready. Let's expand the preview and inspect the design. The hero uses a strong editorial headline, transparent navigation, and two clearly styled call to action buttons. Scrolling down reveals the experience section and its luxury bento cart layout, which was instructed. The integrant section presents the cocoa maca root and plant protein in a clean, high fashion format. We can also open the source view to inspect the generated HTML, Tailwind styling, or JavaScript. Return to the preview, then close the artifact so we can create the final combined version. The completed landing page file is also available here to download. Now we'll merge it with the animated background created earlier. So in the final prompt, I am asking Claude to place the fluid chocolate animation behind the hero section and navigation. The prompt also requests a subtle gradient overlay and scroll reveal animation powered by the intersection observe API. The buttons should remain magnetic, hover movement, and a premium metallic sheen effect. Finally, Claude must refine the spacing, typography, and transitions and return one production-ready HTML file with all the CSS and JavaScript embedded. Submit the final integration prompt. Claude now works on combining the shadow animation with the full landing page interface. It generates the merge version, includes the animation hero, interactive buttons, and smooth scrolling and reveal effects. The final artifact is now ready. The liquid chocolate animation has been successfully integrated behind the headline and navigation. The overlay keeps the typography readable while preserving the cinematic motion and luxury atmosphere. Let's expand the preview to examine the complete website at full size. As we scroll, the hero transitions smoothly into the main page content. The experience section reveals its cards progressively as they enter the viewport. The same reveal treatment continues throughout the sensory integrant section, and this final call to action encourages visitors to explore or purchase the product. Hover over the download control and click the download HTML to save the completed website. The final single file website is now downloaded to the computer. Open the downloaded file directly into the browser. The hero's animation and complete interface continue to work locally. I'll scroll down through the local file, confirms that the ticker, reveal animations, and benefit cards are functioning correctly like it was in the preview. The integrant section also retains its responsiveness, structure, and smooth visual effects. The sticky navigation remains accessible even when we reach the lower section of the page. Clicking shop immediately moves to the purchasing call to action because it's a single page website, so it has used the HTML div clickables ID. The integrants links takes us to the same way HTML div ID, product composition section, and the experience link returns as the benefit cards. So using three carefully structured prompt, Claude has created the animated background, designed the complete interface, and combined both into the functional luxury website for the imaginary brand. That's all for today's video. So thank you so much for watching it till the end.